In meantime, saturated uploading my video to my dear friend. I can do faster version. Yeah. Oh, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mickey. Happy birthday to you. I can do all kind of magic, huh? Doing rockabilly. I'm but saturated with all this water. Something gets in the water. Are you ready for Mars square? Squaring Pluto. Oh, yeah. Power issue. Oh, and today I had a dream. More shooting. You can tell this every day. You don't need to have nightmares and dreams. Actually, I don't have nightmares recently. I just look around. Children, how many of you are related with all this BS? But here it's a birds. Oh, let me open my magic. Yeah. Greetings from my paradise. Here is my baby cardinal. They like to come. They like to come inside. Yeah. Spirit of people who passed away. I lost all my family members, including 2 daughters. But I'm not the only one, children. Like we are awake, but to no one is promised tomorrow. Hubby, terminal cancer. We're fighting over 16 years now. I can go before him to prepare table where nothing special about that, children. We just make transition. No one's died. But some of us are sensitive. We can communicate with our ancestors. I love to love. I love to love. Don't forget my 64th birthday on November 18. Yeah. I'm not from Russia, for God's sake. I'm just speaking 6 languages, multilingual. Yeah. I'm bragging about that, but not really. It helps me out, my Broca ability to speak different languages. How you can be understood, huh? Yeah, I'm speaking 6 and they don't get any of mine. It's not about how many languages we speak. It's about how we understand ourselves and message what we deliver, huh? Okay, children, enough bullshitting. You see, I am in the mud. Yeah. I will not give up. Oh my God, go there when I go there, freeze you to the death. Bye, children. Take care. Oh, maybe some later. Opera later. Whatever kick in. I never know what will come, but whatever come, I know that it's good because it's authentic. Without practicing. It's coming from the heart. Yeah. Do you like my new old flower? I like it. Why? Grandma loves you.